Last year, Oxford researchers found that 45% of all jobs are at risk of being automated by 2025, only 9 years from today. For a long time, getting robots and software to work for us has been the holy grail of business. In theory, it makes everything cheaper, more reliable, more powerful, and it frees humans up to work on creative projects. Without some of our basic needs being automated, less people would be making video games and developing websites. Automation is nothing new. Ever since the Industrial Revolution, we have looked for ways to extract human labor from the means of production and replace it with more efficient and cheaper systems. Except this time, it's different. Automation is targeting many low-skilled labor, including everything transportation. Where it isn't targeting, however, are high-skilled services that require originality, meaning the job is not repetitive and easy for a robot to do. Healthcare, teaching, engineering, and fine arts are all relatively low risk, for now. Even creative bots are becoming so sophisticated you probably couldn't tell these pictures were done using open-source artificial intelligent algorithms. Oh, and the song playing right now is also done by a bot. If technology doesn't put these jobs at risk now, what's to stop them from doing so in the future? This poses many questions that people have feared to seriously ask for the last few decades. People are blaming globalization in other countries for taking jobs, but even those countries are now worrying about losing their newly acquired jobs to robots. Politicians will have to work together to avoid a dystopian future where everything is run by robots, but everyone is too poor to take advantage of the new wealth created by the technology we work so hard on to eventually replace ourselves with. Automation doesn't have to be bad, but it is inevitable. We need to start thinking now about what to do when large sections of the population are unemployable through no fault of their own. Not everybody is fit to become an engineer, doctor, or artist. So what should we do when so many people need an income to survive? There are already many theories, and the most favorable by most economic professors is basic income. Where once most low-skilled human labor is gone, everyone will receive a small stipend that pays basic bills such as rent, food, and electricity, and maybe even a tiny bit more. If people want more money than that, then they have to use their great amount of free time to obtain new skills. Of course, this means we'd have to think radically different about the economy and higher education than we do today, which is very wishful thinking with how things are going recently. But I'm optimistic that we'll figure something out.
It's almost like this.